Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cold coffee using an easy method. First, you'll need your favorite coffee beans, filtered water, and a large container. Grind your coffee coarsely, similar to sea salt, to prevent overextraction. Then, combine 1 part coffee grounds with 4 parts cold water in your container. Stir gently to ensure all the grounds are saturated. Once combined, cover your container and let the mixture steep at room temperature or in the refrigerator for a minimum of 12 hours or up to 24 hours for a stronger brew. After steeping, strain the coffee concentrate through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean pitcher. For an even smoother result, you can strain it a second time. Now you have a delicious cold brew concentrate. To serve, dilute 1 part concentrate with 1 part water or milk, adjusting to your taste preference. Add plenty of ice and any sweeteners or flavorings you enjoy, like vanilla syrup or a dash of cinnamon. This concentrate can be stored in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. The beauty of homemade cold brew is how easily you can customize it. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of coffee beans to find your perfect flavor profile. You can also infuse your cold brew with spices like cardamom or add flavored syrups for a unique twist. For more tips and to grab some Little Tree's black ice for your car, check out the links and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.